Now, the reason to use a multi-purpose oil like this, which is useful for your face, your body, your hair, is that you don't have to have multiple bottles when you're traveling, which I think is really useful. So you just take this one sexy looking golden glass bottle and this sort of multi-purpose dry oil, which means that it doesn't leave you greasy, that you can sort of get dressed quickly afterwards. I think that's really helpful to know. It's got those 7 precious botanical oils, and it suits all skin types, so you're not going to break out if you've got kind of different to average skin. It's quite a small bottle, it's 50 mils, so it's ideal for like a week away maybe. You've got some more stuff on the back that tells you basically it's 100% like oils, botanical oils, no animal derived ingredients. It's made in France, and you know the French do some of this stuff really well, so I do recommend this NUXE oil. I think dry oil itself is just a great idea, and then having a multi-purpose one makes it even better. Definitely a solid purchase, and that's the 50 ml 1.6 fluid ounces.